Assalamu alaikum. Today, I will show you how to reset Samsung Galaxy S21 5G manually. I don't know the lock setup on the device. Try to turn off the device by power button and volume down button, but not turning off. Connect the USB cable and see if it is charging. Now, after holding volume down button and power button, for a while the device will turn off, then the device charging logo will appear. Hold the power button and volume up button until the recovery interface appears. Press volume down button and go to Web Data Factory Reset, then press power button. Press the volume down button and go to the Factory Data Reset and press the power button. Factory Data Reset is complete. Now reboot system and press power button.